Today we are in Hollywood Studios, and what will we be doing then?
Today we happen to be in Galaxy's Edge, and the reason why we're here is because in this video we want to show you how much does it cost to spend a day in Galaxy's Edge for a family of 4. Many times, a lot of you probably plan to come over here to have fun because Galaxy's Edge is amazing. But obviously with that, there's some expenses attached to that. From the minute that you step into the park to having maybe breakfast, having lunch here in Galaxy's Edge, and even buying some of the cool merchandise. We're gonna show you today how much all that costs. So with that said, if you're brand new around here, welcome to our family. This is Bouquet's Adventures, and our main mission is to help you have fun by providing you feedback when you come to the theme parks or anywhere here in Central Florida. With that said, are you guys ready?
Yes.
Awesome, because I am. So what are we waiting on?
So let's go. But wait, Mom, hit the intro.
Mom, may the force be with you. Hit it! Alright guys, so the first thing you're gonna need obviously before coming here is to buy a park ticket, and just for one day the park ticket costs $109, and that's for guests who are 10 years and older. Now for children it's $104, and if you want a park hop, meaning that you could jump on the same day to another park, you gotta add $69 to that. So do the math, $109 per pass. In the case of us, which we are 4 of us, we're already in the 400 and we haven't even gone in. So keep those calculators out as we continue to teach you or show you how much does it really cost to spend a whole day here in Galaxy's Edge in Hollywood Studios. And the first stop, guys, is over here at the Ronto Roast to get some breakfast, and this is what we're having for breakfast. It's called a Ronto morning wrap. It's an egg omelette, grilled pork sausage, shredded cheese, and peppercorn sauce wrapped in pita. So if you desire to buy one of these, it will be $12.49. So imagine that the four of us, so a family of 4, is gonna eat this just for breakfast alone, $12.49 per person. So this is the first time that you guys are trying this Ronto breakfast. How is it?
It's weird.
It's weird?
In my opinion, it's so weird, but
Why is it so weird?
I don't know, I just don't.
Ah, the meat is ready again.
Yeah.
Compared to the Ronto wrap, the one that we eat here when we come here, you know, like the snack one.
Ronto wrap.
You like the Ronto wrap better?
Yeah.
Yeah? How about you? I know you're not a breakfast guy anyway.
I am.
You don't like it as much? Okay, we are done with breakfast, but I want to show you guys, if we were to order 4 of these Ronto morning wrap, 2 regular drinks, and
2 of the Tatooine Sunset.
yeah, 2 of the Tatooine Sunset, which is a special drink, this is how much we would have spent for the 4 of us. As you can see over there, it would be with the tax $73.44. So at this point, guys, we're just gonna show you where the droid depot is and the things that you could do to build a droid, and we're gonna let you know the cost of these droids, the starting price, so that way you have an idea of how much it's gonna cost you when you come here with your family. If we're sharing any valuable content with you, make sure you hit that like button. And you're brand new around here, Kyla, what should they do?
Subscribe.
Exactly, because this is your family content channel, the one that brings you a lot of fun. And guys, just do us a favor, share the content, hit the like button, just share as many times as you can. So this is what is called the Droid Depot. This is where people actually build their droids, and just to start off is $99 to build a droid, or $164 if you want to build it and have your own bag to carry around. And this is how the bag looks. If you want to buy it individually, that's $49.99. So it says it over here, droid package includes a droid, also a personality ship, and a backpack for $164.97. If you want just the droid like Kalal has, that's only $99. Also, remember when I told you guys about the personality chip? You can find them over here, and they're $15, right?
$15 or three. Right now it's 3 for 30.
3 for 30 or $15. You could buy the personality chip. You just change it, and then it takes different personality.
It tells you good or bad.
Yeah, and just so you know, these droids are interactive with Galaxy's Edge. So sometimes when the stormtroopers are out, for example, this one that Kyle has reacts differently than the one that Kyla has. Kyla has BB-8, and that one acts like crazy because the First Order is around. So you see how this one is reacting on its own. So it's a pretty cool souvenir to have, but as you know, it's $99.99. One of the things that people buy the most over here, because this is like almost a must, right?
It's a must.
It's you can buy Coke or you can buy Sprite on a detonator like you would be in space. And how much was this?
$6.
So $6. So you think the families buy a whole? Let's say the families buy at least two.
$12.
So add more to the bill for today. So let's say about $12
For 13.5 ounces.
There you go. But it's a cool bottle though.
It's a good souvenir. So obviously after you drink it, don't throw it away, right?
Definitely. In case you were wondering, after what you could do, that's just an example of it. It comes with its own remote, and there you go. You got your own R2 unit or your own BB-8 unit. So we decided to stop by Docking Bay 7 here, and we're gonna have lunch, and we'll show you how much everything was so that way you have an idea. Lunch for 4 here in Galaxy's Edge, and this is probably what Kyla will be eating.
No, move along. We're not.
Here we are on Docking Bay 7, and pretty much we got like, these are fried chicken, right? With mac and cheese and broccoli, and Khalil had a pasta, right?
Yes. But I don't like broccoli, so I'm probably gonna move that out.
So we also have 4 drinks. As you can see, the kids' drinks are smaller than ours, of course. And you got a sip. Well, there you go. So how much was everything, Kyle?
I thought it was
$62.80. $62.80 with taxes. So there you go. Add that to your day. So far, halfway through my meal, and it tastes really good. How about you, Kyla?
It's really good, yeah.
How you like it?
It's really good, except the broccoli is really good.
The broccoli was then your favorite part?
Because it gets cold fast.
Yeah.
Mom?
I agree with her. It's really good. I like it. The fried chicken's really good. The mac and cheese is really good, but it does get cold fast.
One thing is for sure, when you come over here to Galaxy's Edge, you must try them milk. They sell either blue or green milk. While we have the stormtroopers on the background, I just want to show you how the blue milk looks. And you can get this for $7.99, and for the purpose of this video, we only got 1. But let's pretend that you're gonna buy at least 2 so the whole family can try it. Especially if it's four people like us, you may want to buy at least 2 just to try it. Possibly the blue and the green milk, just to split and try them out. Hey guys, so keep in mind that this is the location for Olga's Cantina, and Olga's Cantina is very popular for either alcoholic or non-alcoholic drinks, because we couldn't find any reservations. We are not going to be able to take you there. We're not going to be adding that into our cost for today. So whatever we give you at the end, imagine adding an extra possibly $50 to $60 more. So at this point, you're looking at Kal-El with the lightsaber, and if you're wondering about that lightsaber, that's a lightsaber that you could actually build right over there on something that's called Savi's Workshop Experience, and the price for that lightsaber and experience is $219 currently at the time that we're recording this video. The price just went up, but it's $219. That's not including the tax. You get to go through that experience, and we're gonna put our video later on. We haven't released that video, but we just built it, and that comes with obviously all the elements of the lightsaber, special limited pin, and the back to hold a lightsaber. So that's the only way that you could do that is on Savi's Workshop, and you must have a reservation in order to do it. And reservations are long gone for almost an entire month in advance.
Somebody said that it's almost for 2 months that it's booked.
Yep, so keep that in mind. add that to the prices of spending a whole day here in Galaxy's Edge with a whole entire family, because as you can see, it's a pretty popular experience. So this, everything that we're showing you today, is the things that everybody comes over here to experience. So we're back over here to basically calculate how much did it cost to spend a whole day in Galaxy's Edge for a family of 4. Now keep in mind that a lot of these things we already bought on multiple times that we have come over here. So you don't necessarily have to spend all these all at once.
We're only coming once, and this is your dream. Then we're gonna kind of tell you how much it will cost.
How much your dream? How expensive your dream is gonna cost? So let's go over the list of everything that we think. Again, this is what our family of 4 might have spent on a day here in Galaxy's Edge, and for what we observe that most of the people tend to buy. So what do we got again?
So you obviously have the ticket of the park to come in.
Right.
But a 1 day, 1 park ticket, not a park hop or anything, it's gonna cost you $109 per person.
Per person. Okay.
So then if you're gonna have breakfast at Galaxy's Edge, you most likely are gonna go get a Ronto breakfast wrap, and that 1 wrap alone costs $12.49.
But if you get 4 of those with drinks, how much it was?
It would be a total of $68.92.
Okay.
For the 4. If you get at least 1 droid, it's gonna be $99.
99, yeah.
If you get at least 1 lightsabers range. There are different prices. They really depend. So like the average lightsaber is gonna cost you about $219.
Right. For the Savi's workshop experience. However, if you buy a legacy, by the time that you buy the legacy lightsaber plus the blade, you're looking at a ballpark of $170 all the way to $220 as well.
And then the blades, the actual blades come in different sizes. So it also depends what kind of size of blade do you want.
Right.
Then if you were to have lunch for a family of 4, it's going to cost you around $62.80 roughly.
Right.
That's 2 kids meals and 2 adult meals plus the drinks, because adult meals don't come with drinks.
Right.
And then if you have to buy blue milk if you're here. So
I'll say you have to buy the 2, blue and green, because I'm sure you want to try it.
You want to try it. So the 2 of them is going to cost you $15.98.
And mind you, we're just splitting, you know, we're not saying all 4 of us going to get 1, but yeah, I'm assuming that probably the majority of family of 4 may get 2, so we're going to go with that.
I think that covers the basics, things that you can get while you're at Galaxy's Edge. Going with the, like the major thing, like a droid and the lightsaber.
And the soda detonator.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry, I forgot the little Sprite.
Which it was $6.
And that's almost a must too.
So tell me how much would it cost for a day for a family of 4 on an average to spend here on Galaxy's Edge?
It's gonna come out to be at least $907.70.
Ouch. And that's not with taxes. So do the math, guys. $907 from the minute that you go and buy a ticket and then spend a whole day over here enjoying everything the Galaxy's Edge offers. We're not even buying shirts. We're not even buying any stuffed animal. We're not even buying none of that.
There's so many things here that you could possibly buy.
Exactly. $907 without tax. So when you add the tax, it's gonna be almost $1,000.
I would shoot for $1,000.
Yeah, exactly. So keep that in mind when you're doing your budget to come to visit Hollywood Studios, either obviously here in Florida, or when you go to California and Galaxy's Edge, which is different prices, I'm imagining. Keep that in mind, because you have to come with a budget in mind.
Yes.
And that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to help you come up with a budget, an idea.
Oh no, we're back.
All right, guys, so you have it. The average cost for a family of 4 to spend a day here in Galaxy's Edge in Hollywood Studios. What a great adventure. We truly hope you enjoyed it. We truly hope we were able to help you.
And how expensive.
Yeah, and provide you with an idea. And now that we have calculated the prices and maybe the kids heard how much it costs, that will be more appreciated when we come over here.
I didn't hear how much it cost.
That we're gonna let you know, trust me, in numbers. So Karen, what do you think?
overall, it's an amazing experience, and it's an experience that I think you should do, especially if you're a Star Wars fan. Obviously, if you are a Star Wars fan, you are going to want to come in and spend a little bit of money in here. So have that budget in mind when you come over here. That way you know just in Galaxy's Edge how much money you can spend.
There you go. I couldn't say that any better. Hope you enjoyed this adventure, but sadly this adventure has ended. With that said, we want to remind everybody to
Subscribe.
And smash that like button and turn that bell for notifications.
Bing, bing, bing. And feel free to comment down below. Always remember to
smile out, be great.
Be cool.
and stay awesome. See you guys in the next adventure.
Bye, guys.
Boom.
Boom.
Boom. See ya. May the force be with you.
Bye.